Good morning, boys and girls. Today is May 22nd, 2020. And right now, it's time for Math with Miss Morales. Our learning objective is I can solve a CGI math word problem. We're going to start our math lesson with a CGI warm-up. Our warm-up for today is a picture talk. So when I show you the picture, we're going to have 60 seconds to think about what do you see and what do you notice, and if there are any patterns. I am going to play a timer so that we know what 60 seconds feels like. Here is our picture, and I'm starting our time now. Time is up. So now let's talk about our picture. What are some things that you saw, and what are some things that you noticed? I'm going to share with you some things that I noticed. I noticed that there are 3 rows of unicorn toys. Also, the unicorns are in 4 columns. Let's count to see how many unicorns we have in all. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 unicorns in all. Maybe you also noticed that there are 2 of every color. There's 2 yellow and pink, 2 blue and purple, 2 green and brown, 2 white and pink, 2 purple and white, and 2 pink and bright pink. So there's 2 of each type of unicorn. Another thing that you might have noticed is that one row of unicorn is looking one way, the other row is looking a different way, and this unicorn row, they're looking the same way as the top one. So it's like a zigzag pattern. I hope you noticed all of these things and some other things about this picture. Now, let's go into our CGI word problem. Listen as I read the problem to you. Alanis has blank tickets. Alanis needs blank tickets to get a unicorn plushie. How many more tickets does Alanis need to get the unicorn plushie? Now that I read our problem, I want to know who or what is this problem about? What are some words that give us a clue? Correct. This problem is about Alanis. Alanis has tickets and she needs more tickets to buy a unicorn plushie. Now I'm going to add in our numbers. Listen as I read the problem with our numbers. Alanis has 3 tickets. Alanis needs 9 tickets to get a unicorn plushie. How many more tickets does Alanis need to get the unicorn plushie? Now that I added in our numbers and I read the problem with the numbers, I want to know, what are the important numbers and what do they mean? Correct. Our important numbers are 3 tickets. So I put a box around 3 tickets and 9 tickets. So these are the important numbers of our word problem. Now that we know who our problem is about, what our important numbers are, I need to know, what am I doing with this problem? What kind of math am I doing? Are we adding or subtracting? When I read this problem again, I want you to think about, what are some clue words that tell us what kind of math we are doing with this problem. Alanis has 3 tickets. Alanis needs 9 tickets to get a unicorn plushie. How many more tickets does Alanis need to get the unicorn plushie? What are some clue words that help you know what kind of math we are doing with this problem? Here are some things that I highlighted. I highlighted the words needs to get or need to get because this tells me that Alanis has amount of tickets, but she needs to get some more. And I underlined the words how many more because this tells me what we are figuring out with our problem as we solve it. So again, here is our problem. Alanis has 3 tickets. Alanis needs 9 tickets to get a unicorn plushie. How many more tickets does Alanis need to get the unicorn plushie? So we can think of this problem as an addition problem. We could set up the problem 3 plus 9 equals blank. But would that make sense? I'm using the numbers from our word problem. But let's think about it. What does 3 plus 9 equal? It equals 12. Or 12 is bigger than the amount of tickets that the unicorn costs, so it will not work. When you write the problem, make sure you put the numbers in the correct order. Our number sentence should be 3 plus blank equals 9. So we have to find out what goes in this blank. And there are many strategies that you can use to help solve this problem. You can draw a picture. You can count on from 3 to 9. You can have a parent help you draw a number line. You can use a hundreds chart. You can count objects in your house. Use tally marks or any other strategy that you are comfortable with to help you solve this problem. Here is a number chart that you can use to help you. So now it's your turn. I would like you to solve this word problem with all of the number choices. We have 3 tickets, 9 tickets, 6 tickets to 14 tickets, 12 tickets to 22 tickets, and of course a bonus, which is your choice. You get to choose the numbers for your choice. As always, please take a picture of your work when you are done and turn it in to Class Dojo. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye.